Today, I'll teach you how to make one of Korea's most iconic dishes. A must cook for anyone interested in Korean cooking, Kimchi Jjigae. Kimchi Jjigae uses Korea's best ingredient, kimchi. Kimchi, for those that don't know, is fermented cabbage. And the longer you ferment it, the more delicious it becomes. And Kimchi Jjigae, which is a stew made of kimchi, uses the most fermented. If you've got kimchi that is getting older, it's fermenting for a longer time, it's the best kimchi to use. No, it's the only kimchi to use. It won't taste the same if you use fresh kimchi. We use a kimchi for Kimchi Jjigae that is called shin kimchi. Shin kimchi is kimchi that's been fermented for longer. Shin also means God, so God kimchi. I like that too. It is God kimchi because it tastes the best. It's the best kimchi. If you're interested in Korean cooking or Korean culture, hit that subscribe button. I cook a new Korean dish every week and sometimes revisit some of the old classics too. So join me on this journey and let's get cooking.